Namaste, Indians, and you're most welcome. And with this session, I warm welcome to you guys here to listen me. And today is subject going to be suicide, and we are saying so many cases of suicides in our country, like in quotas, with regarding with students and institutions and with students and youths as well. So with this, suicide problems are increasing day by day very rapidly. We need to eradicate this type of problem from its core, so that in future this type of problem would not be established, would not be arise. We need to understand, we need to go through this problem, we need to forget about all the kinds of problems to solve these problems, because problem are ever solved by searching solutions. So for searching solution, there is a great need to search the solution of problems of society like problem, and to eradicate this problem from its core, so that our country's youth will be like an asset for our nation, will be able to do something. Their creativity is really matters, their life is really matters. So we need to understand why suicide cases are increasing day by day rapidly around in our surrounding. Why their parents because of parental tortures, because of self interest lacking, because of failure, they are committing suicide. They do not do this type of evil like suicide in their life, because God has given him his or her one life to live that life with awesomeness, to handsomeness, to brighten their life. And they are not forgetting, they are not forgetting this type of evil. They are just paying attention on this. They, whenever they get depressed, whenever they feel low, they are committing this type of suicide in our society. This is our society's problem, increasing day by day. This is also our country's problem. We need to understand, because we Indians are responsible for this. Because we are somewhere society, because we are somewhere youth, because we are somewhere a reason behind it. So we have to pay attention and make our youths understand the value of their life, so that they would not be feel worthless of with their life. They do not feel, they won't feel like a non valuable thing like life, because life in itself is life, which makes you, which breaks you. Life sometimes breaks you, but you should not to understand, you should not keep in your mind like to finally you have to end your life. So don't do this, because ultimately ending life is not a solution for eradicate the problem, because problem exists, problem remains even after committing suicide. But your life, which is really important, somewhere would be destroyed, somewhere would be end. So we need to understand our, we need to spread this quality of awareness in our youths, because in 2021 there was 71 lakh 71% population of our country, like among them mostly are youths, which have committed suicide. And for do not forget this, because this percentage somewhere would be increased. So for before increasing this percentage, we need to finish this type of problem. We need to as well as possible, we need to make people aware. Our youths are really important for our country, for ourselves, because they are the unique creature. We people, rather than youth, they we people are also really important. We have life, we need to save our life, because it is the last opportunity to live it, to survive it with awesomeness, with handsomeness. So in this life you will get problems, hurdles and pitiable situations. Just removing all those problems, you need to research on that problem and make it solution, solve that problem with courage, and do not do like this. And please promise me that you will spread this, that people would not commit suicide, and they will feel the value of their life. Because जिंदगी जख्मों से भरी है, जिंदगी जख्मों से भरी है, वक्त को मरहम बनाना सीख लो। जिंदगी जख्मों से भरी है, वक्त को मरहम बनाना सीख लो। हारना तो है एक दिन मौत से, हारना तो है एक दिन मौत से, फिलहाल जिंदगी जीना सीख लो। इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो विद दिस we will meet you soon. Bye bye. Thank you so much.